How to fix Lenovo monitor power saving mode. So basically waking up your Lenovo monitor. First of all, you can check your power supply. It will go into power saving mode if your power supply is low, specifically the wattage. So check the back of your monitor to basically see the required power wattage or wherever you are able to see this information. In some cases, you can find it in the back of the monitor. And speaking of that, you're gonna have to navigate to a specific button on your monitor. In most cases, it's found on the back of the monitor, shown over here in this little diagram, or it could also be found on the bottom of your monitor. So whichever it is, you're gonna have to open up a little setting just in case you get this screen or something similar that says power saving mode. You're gonna have to open up the settings of the monitor. Now this is basically just an example, since again it pretty much depends on what kind of monitor model you have for your Lenovo, but as long as you go inside these settings and then once you're there, navigate to something like the general settings or the smart energy saving option, you're gonna either turn it off or make it into a low option. But wherever you will be able to find this kind of option, you're gonna have to find it and turn it off. You'll also always have a manual for your monitor, of course, so you can go ahead and check that out for specific step-by-step instructions on how you can turn off the power saving mode for your Lenovo monitor. But that is pretty much usually one way or an option you could do to potentially stop your Lenovo monitor from going on a power saving mode. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.